Okay, so hello, baby. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you today? Are you good?
Good.
Good. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Chris. What is your name? Can I hear your name? What is
Hannah.
your name? Hannah.
Hannah.
Okay, nice to meet you, Hannah. How old are you, Hannah?
7.
7. Okay, can you try to say I'm 7 years old.
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, very good, Hannah. Okay, and did you go to school today, Hannah? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And what's the weather today? Was it sunny or was it rainy?
Sunny.
Sunny. Oh, okay. Can you try to say it's sunny?
It's sunny.
Very good. Okay, so welcome to our class, Hannah, and I'm teacher for this lesson. Now, look here, Hannah. Today we are going to discover animals. Okay, do you like animals, Hannah?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so do you know some animals? Can you name some?
Bear.
Bear, very good. What else?
Parrot.
Parrot. Okay, so very good, Hannah. So those are some good animals. A bear is a big animal and a parrot is a small animal. Okay, so are you ready to discover some animals in our class, Hannah?
Ready.
Ready. Very good. Okay, let's proceed here. Okay, so our objective for today, Anna, is we're going to name different animals. Okay, so let's proceed to the first line. Okay, look, Anna. Do you know what animal is this?
A dog.
A dog. Very good. Can you say that again? Dog.
Dog.
Very good. How about can you clap it? Dog.
Dog.
Very good. Now let's try to practice it in a sentence. It is a dog.
It is a dog.
Very good. How about can you try to act like a dog, Hannah? Can you say, can you try to bark like a dog?
Scarf.
Okay, so wonderful, Hannah. Now, can you try to say it again in a complete sentence? It is a dog.
It is a dog.
Okay, wonderful, Hannah. Now, look, teacher will give you a butterfly sticker. Wonderful, Hannah. Okay, now look
Thank you,
here.
teacher.
You are welcome, baby. How about let's proceed to the next slide. Look, Hannah, it's another animal. Do you know what this is?
It's a cat.
Oh, very good. Can you say that again, Hannah?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Very good. Now, can you try to act like a cat, Hannah? Can you say,
Meow.
very good. Okay, now let's try to clap it, the sentence again, Hannah. Now, let's try to make it in a complete formal sentence. It is a cat.
It is a cat.
Very good. Again, it is a cat.
It is a cat.
Wonderful, Hannah. And look, teacher Chris will give you a happy emoji. Very good, Hannah. You deserve this one. Okay, now how about, are you ready for the next animal?
Yes.
Yes, and look, Hannah. We have here another animal. Do you know what animal is this? It's
Monkey.
a monkey. Very good. Can you say that again? Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay, let's try to say it in a fast pace. Monkey.
Monkey.
Very good. How about can you say it in a loud voice? Monkey.
Monkey.
Very good, Hannah. Now let's try to say it in a complete sentence. It is a monkey.
It is a monkey.
Very good. Can you try to say it again? It is a monkey.
It is a monkey.
Okay, so well done, Hannah. And look, teacher will give you a shark sticker. Rawr! Okay,
A
so very
shark.
good. A shark. Okay, so Hannah, did you enjoy the three animals? Do you know or have you seen these
Yes.
animals? Have you seen these animals in person?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And where have you seen the monkey?
At the zoo.
At the zoo. Very good. How about where have you seen the cat?
At home.
At home. Very good. How about where have you seen, sorry, where have you seen the dog?
At home.
At home. Okay, so I guess you have a dog and a cat at home. And oh, I forgot, Hannah. Can you try to act like a monkey? Okay, you say,
I don't know it, teacher.
okay, how about copy teacher?
All right.
Okay, so very good, Hannah. Now, how about let's try to see if you did understand our lesson. Now, let's proceed here. Hey, sorry. It's wait a minute. Let me try to retrieve the file. Okay, wait a minute, Hannah. Ah, here it is. Sorry. Okay, so this was the wrong file. Okay, so let me try to. Okay, so what animals did we learn again today, Hannah? Can you try to name it?
Cat.
It's the
A dog.
a dog. What
And
else?
a monkey.
And a monkey. Very good. And what else? And how about this one? A
Cat.
cat. Very good. Now look here, Hannah. Okay, so we have here two pictures. Can you find where is the dog? Can you try to circle where is the dog? Where is the dog? Oh, very good, Hannah. Can you try to say it in a sentence? It is a dog.
It is a dog.
Very good. How about here, Hannah? Okay, look, it is another picture, or we have here another two pictures. Can you find where is the monkey? Okay, so very good, Hannah. Great job. And thank you for today, Hannah, and practice what you have learned in our class. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let me